Now we're going to fold the casual V-neck in a clean fold. With your casual V-neck, it's a little special because you're probably going to wear this one out versus some other shirts where you're just going to wear it to work out or to cover up. So I want this in a clean fold so it'll be less wrinkles when you're ready to wear it, less preparation, but it's nice, clean, and you can see what style or what type of shirt it is when it's on a shelf or in a drawer or wherever you store it. So spread it out, fix the collar, and lay it out neat enough so you have everything you need. Grab from the center and just let it hang. That's going to give it that clean fold at the end because you're getting all the wrinkles out. Then place it back down, spread it out again, take it from the top and the bottom and the center, clean again. Put it down, and that is it. You can see the style, see the shirt, see what you have, and hopefully you'll have a hot date to wear it. Your clean fold.